Okay, so we have our floor cleared off inside the RV. Why do we have our floor cleared off? Well, Heidi's got the answer.
What have you been up to?
I've been riding on a daydream.
We have the Airelax Air Mattress bed. Comes in a bag. This is a queen size. So it is 78 by 60 by 18.2 inches tall. High.
So here's our reasoning for all of this. And you guys are probably wondering, well, why would you even want to do that? Well, we opted in for theater seating. And that was because we hardly have any visitors. But as you can see, we currently have a visitor. And we need a bed. We need some place for him to sleep. Now, of course, he's small enough. He could just stretch out on the theater seating there with the armrest up, but that's not always the case. Could we have opted in a fold-out bed right here? Yeah, we could have, but then we would have not had theater seating with, footrest, and they have some kind of lumbar support in the back, and there's an armrest that has charging and cup holders. We wanted that, so we're to let you know this is an option. This is something that you can do as long as you have the floor space, which we checked it out. We're pretty sure we do.
Yeah, it only weighs 11.5 pounds. It comes with, there's a power cord storage in this.
Oh,
it
cool.
does inflate.
See, I don't know anything about this.
Inflates and deflates with the release button. So we're going to set this up and get it inflated.
Well, this is some decent material that it's made
Very
out
nice,
of.
yes.
Okay, well, we'll see what this thing looks like. Like I said, I don't know anything about it. This is all Heidi's doings. So we'll, again, we'll put this out and show you what it's about. This is what it looks like laid out. Heidi says the top is white, which makes sense. That's going to be the part you want to appear to be the cleanest. And then on the end, I'll show you what's going on there. We have I guess it's the built-in pump.
Yep, inflate, deflate. It's got a pretty decent length cord.
Which we have an outlet right there, which makes it a little bit easier for us.
Close that up.
Yeah, got a little port to let all the air out relatively fast. You could probably inflate it manually if you had to, using that same port. So she'll plug that in.
Plug it in. I'll go ahead and hit.
So this is about the same sound as a vacuum cleaner. About the same noise. That's it. I did say it was 18.5 inches, but I didn't realize how tall that was, I guess, now that I see it. So we're going to have our test subjects go ahead and try it out. So go ahead. Wow. Oh, that's a lot more firm than I thought.
Wow. What do you think? Lay down. Pretend you're sleeping.
It's your bed.
You're sleeping?
It's your bed. It's your bed. just like most beds. That's what kids do. But go ahead, Heidi, try it out. So weight limit 500 pounds. I mean, there's people that can go over that. If there were two of me, I would be over that. But how does it feel?
It feels very nice. I remember the blow-up mattresses
that we used to tent camp. Oh, wow.
This is nothing like them.
Just one here. Just one.
It's not even the right one. So go ahead and lay down there. Put your head.
Down here, almost out of camera, is the valve that you use to deflate this thing manually. If you're wanting to just open it up and let it deflate at its own pace, you can do that. Of course, you can also inflate it there too. But on the panel itself, if we go ahead and turn this around, maybe move it a little bit, there's two buttons that you utilize. We just talked about, Heidi talked about, an inflate and a deflate. Right now we're fully inflated. I'm going to show you it inflated again, but first I'm going to show you that if I push the deflate button, it's going to deflate the whole thing. And you can see it just shuts itself automatically because it's reached a certain pressure. It's back in the bag, and we didn't go to the extreme that we would have normally as far as getting all the air out. It does a pretty good job. Even if you don't hold it, it takes out most of the air, so it folds down to this size. And one of the things that we forgot to mention was there was no smell. There is absolutely, there's a newness smell. It's not a heavy plastic. It's not overbearing, nothing. So this is pretty decent. The manufacturer has a 1-year warranty. Like everything else, I'm sure I can make this fail within 2 weeks. I'm sure I can make this thing last 5 years. Definitely get in touch with the manufacturer if you have any kind of a problem. It's through Amazon, and right now currently, if you use the link in the description, I think there's a coupon at time of filming that is for like $50 off the price. So to have bedding, like in our case, I'm going to be happy that we have an extra bed in here, because last night we were pretty much bruised and kicked throughout the night from a little fidget in our bed. So it'll be nice that we have this extra mattress, but we wanted to wait until today until we had some daylight to try it out. So again, links are down below. Click the link, it'll take you right to it. Hopefully you get some sort of a discount. As always, we hope to see you out here. Bye.